Hello everyone, and welcome back to BlueMyst World. Today, we're diving deep into the amazing world of marine creatures. From the mysterious depths of the ocean to colorful reefs, the sea is home to some of the most fascinating animals on Earth. In this video, we'll explore some incredible marine creatures that will surely amaze you. So, get ready to discover their secrets and learn what makes each one truly unique. Let's dive right in. Now, let's dive into one of the most mesmerizing marine creatures, jellyfish. Many jellyfish possess bioluminescent organs that emit light. This glowing ability is not just for show, it serves several important purposes in their underwater lives. For instance, the light can attract prey, making it easier for jellyfish to catch their food. It can also confuse or scare away potential predators, giving the jellyfish a chance to escape. This natural light show is one of the ocean's most beautiful and mysterious phenomena, illuminating the dark depths where these creatures thrive. Many species of jellyfish have specialized organs called photophores that produce light through a chemical reaction known as bioluminescence. This fascinating ability allows them to glow in the dark ocean depths where sunlight barely reaches. The light they emit serves multiple purposes. It can lure small fish and plankton toward the jellyfish, making it easier for them to feed. At the same time, the glow can act as a defense mechanism, startling or confusing predators and helping the jellyfish escape danger. Some jellyfish even use their light to communicate or find mates. This natural glow turns the deep sea into a magical, shimmering world, revealing secrets that are still being discovered by scientists today. What makes bioluminescence even more fascinating is how efficient it is. Unlike artificial light, which generates heat, the light produced by jellyfish creates no heat at all, making it perfectly suited for the cold, pressurized environment of the deep sea. Some species, like the Atala jellyfish, have developed intricate flashing patterns that mimic alarms. When threatened, they emit a series of pulsing lights to attract even bigger predators, not to attack them, but to scare off their own attacker. It's a clever use of distraction in the dark. Additionally, not all jellyfish glow the same way. Some produce a soft blue or green glow, while others can emit quick bursts of bright light, almost like underwater lightning. Scientists believe that some deep-sea species even coordinate their glowing displays in groups, creating stunning visual effects that may help them stay together or confuse predators. These luminous adaptations are just one reason jellyfish continue to amaze researchers. Despite their simple anatomy, with no brain or heart, they've survived for over 500 million years, relying on instincts and natural tools like bioluminescence to thrive in the ocean's most extreme environments. When you think about all these complex abilities, glowing organs, defense strategies, and survival instincts developed over millions of years, it really makes you wonder, could such a creature have appeared by chance alone, or is it the result of an intelligent design? But, the ocean's wonders don't end there. Meet Tambja morosa, also known as the gloomy nudibranch, a truly mesmerizing sea slug. Often spotted during nighttime dives or hiding on sunken ships deep underwater, this creature thrives in darkness. Its appearance is nothing short of stunning, a deep, velvety black body adorned with electric blue lines that glow like neon under the sea. Though small, the gloomy nudibranch is a perfect example of how even the tiniest life forms in the ocean can display breathtaking beauty and vivid contrast, as if painted by an artist's hand. Its unique coloration isn't just for show. Bright colors like these can serve as a warning to predators: "I'm toxic, stay away." Despite their small size, nudibranch like Tambja morosa are sophisticated survivors. They belong to a group of sea slugs that have shed their shells, exposing their soft bodies to the world, and yet, they thrive. What's truly fascinating is their defense mechanism. They often feed on toxic sponges or bryozoans, absorbing the toxins and storing them in their tissues. This makes them unappetizing, or even deadly, to predators. Tambja morosa doesn't rely on speed or camouflage. Instead, it uses bold coloration and chemical warfare to stay safe, a strategy that seems more like science fiction than biology. These nudibranch also have a keen chemical sense. Instead of eyes, they use structures called rhinophores to smell the ocean water, detecting food and potential mates with surprising precision. And here's something amazing: some scientists believe nudibranch can learn and remember, despite having a very simple nervous system. It's a reminder that intelligence in nature can take many unexpected forms. The life cycle of Tambja morosa is as unusual as its appearance. These nudibranch are hermaphrodites, meaning each individual carries both male and female reproductive organs. When two nudibranch meet, they can both exchange sperm, allowing both to later lay eggs. Their eggs are laid in elegant ribbon-like spirals on rocks, corals, or wreckage, almost like underwater calligraphy. After hatching, the larvae are planktonic. They drift freely in the ocean currents for a time, vulnerable and unseen, until they find a suitable surface to settle on, where they begin their transformation into the vividly colored adults. It's a fragile, beautiful process, from invisible speck to one of the ocean's most artistic predators. And just like the jellyfish, it raises a question. Could a creature with such precise, artistic design really have evolved by chance alone? From a mysterious blue slug of the deep, we now move to a creature that might look simple, but hides a complex and fascinating way of life beneath the sand. Let's take a closer look at the garden eel, a tiny marvel that lives half buried in the seafloor, and sees the ocean from a very different perspective. Garden eels may seem delicate at first glance, but their survival strategy is both clever and efficient. These eels spend most of their lives with their bodies anchored in the sand, poking just their heads and upper bodies into the water column. They form colonies that look like fields of waving grass, hence the name garden eels. Each eel digs a burrow using its strong, muscular tail, which acts almost like an anchor. When danger approaches, they retract instantly into the sand, vanishing like magic. What's even more fascinating is how they feed. They stay in place, facing the current, and catch drifting plankton with quick snaps of their tiny jaws. No chasing, no swimming, just patience and precision. Garden eels are also incredibly shy. Even the shadow of a diver can send dozens of them retreating at once, like a synchronized dance of retreat and re-emergence. Mating happens right from their burrows. Males will edge closer to females, sometimes engaging in small territorial disputes, but all while keeping their tails safely buried. It's a life of balance, half hidden, fully alert, and always tuned to the rhythm of the sea. Interestingly, garden eels rarely ever leave their burrows once they've settled in. In fact, they can stay in the same spot for years, making their narrow tube-shaped home not just a shelter, but a lifelong anchor in the ever-moving world of the ocean. The ocean is full of wonders, from glowing jellyfish to bright blue sea slugs and shy garden eels. Each creature tells a story of survival, design, and beauty hidden beneath the waves. Which one amazed you the most? And do you think such perfectly adapted creatures came to be just by chance, or is there something more behind their design? If you enjoyed diving with us today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. There's so much more to explore in the mysterious world beneath the sea, and we'll be back with even more. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the BlueMyst world.